So hi friends, come back to my channel. So now let us continue with the IBPS previous year's questions. So in this class let us see what is the question. So there are two trains X and Y have speeds of 43 kilometers per hour, 29 kilometers per hour respectively. Train X crosses a man standing in Y in 7 seconds, 27 seconds. Okay, it crosses in 27 seconds while moving in the opposite direction. So it is showing that it is moving in the opposite direction. Okay, so they are asking to find the length of the train X. So here we are getting involved with two trains. So here the concept of relative speed will come. So here the relative speed is nothing but like the trains are traveling in the opposite direction, so you should take plus and you have to add the speed so that you will get the relative speed, which is nothing but 72 kilometers per hour. Okay, so now we have relative speed and relative time. So let us calculate length. So length is nothing but speed into time. So speed is 72 kilometers per hour, but the thing is that the time is in seconds and the speed is in kilometer per second, right? So let us convert it into meter per second. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, right? So divided by per hour means 60 minutes into 60 seconds. Okay, in this way, and into time, which is nothing but 27. In this way you can simply cut it off. So in this way you will get something, the answer, or you can check it out. 4 5 is 20. So the last but one would be 0. You can check it in that way, or you can just directly do the multiplication. Anything is fine, but before you can check the options once. It was in every option we have 0 at the last, so we can't do that. So we have to do the multiplication. So let us do 5 was 25, 2 is 10, 120 into 127, right? So let us see. Oh sorry, here we have missed this 6 actually. You can check it out. We have missed 6. So let us cancel this one also. 6 4s. Okay, then we will get 4 5 is 20 into 27. So now let us find out the answer, which is nothing but 540 meters. So this is the answer. In this way you can solve this question. Okay, so let us go to another question. So here let me rub it out. Actually in the previous session I have discussed this, so let me discuss about this now. So here you can see the ratio of efficiency of A and B and ratio of efficiency of B and C is 5:8 and 28:15 respectively. So A is to B is 5:8 and A is to C is 20 is equals to 28:15. Okay, so then the work will be calculated in if A and C work together, then the work will be completed in if A and C are work together completed in 12 13 days. Okay, find the number of days required for B alone to complete the work. B in how many days he can complete the work they are asking. So simply you can see here, here B is to C, right? I have written A is to C, which is wrong. So B is to C you can write. So here you can see we can just equate both of this. Okay, you can take the LCM 8 comma 28 something. 2 table you can take it off or anything else, but you can go for simple things, don't go hi-fi. 2 2 4 4 2 8 8 7 56. Okay, we can just multiply this by 7 and you can just multiply this by 2. So in this way A is to B becomes 5 7 35 and is to 8 7 56, and B is to C, which is 28 into 2 becomes 56, is to 15 into 2 becomes 30. Okay, so now we got A is to B is to C as 35 is to 56 is to 30. These are the efficiencies. Okay, so in these problems you should know the formula that efficiency is equals to work by time, or you can just simply remember that work is equals to efficiency into time. This is a formula, you all might know about it. You should remember this formula. So it was said that A plus C has completed the work in 12 by 13. Okay, so let us convert it into improper section. 13 to 26, 13 1 13, now 56. Okay, just let us add it and we will get this answer at the final. Okay, so here the simple thing is that let us consider work is equals to 1. Okay, then 1 is equals to efficiency of A. Here we have efficiency of A is 35, right? 35 and efficiency of C is 30. Okay, and the time is 168 by 13, right? So in this way it is in the ratio, right? You can take x here so that we can consider it as a value. So you can just add it, so we will get something like 65x. Okay, 68 by 13. So you can just do the division, 13 5s. So in this way you can simply get 5 40 5 6 840. Okay, in this way you will get the x. Okay, the thing is that work with B is 56, right? 56 into 1 by 840 is B. So here you can see efficiency is calculated into time. We have to calculate the time. Right, we can just do the division. Go with the small things only, don't get stressed out. Hmm. So the thing is that we are doing somewhere, we are doing something wrong, don't think like that. Just calculate it by 7 5. Okay, now the days are 15 days. This is the answer. Okay, in this way simply you can calculate this problem, these type of problems. I hope you understood this. So now let us go to another problem. Okay, I hope you are understanding well, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. So let us go to another question in which they are saying a person invested so in this way you will be having the arithmetic questions. The thing is that first you have to do whatever you can do so that all your doubts will be sorted at once. Like if you just see the solution, it would be a little bit difficult for you. First do whatever thoughts you get in the brain so that later when you will see the solution all your doubts will be cleared and you will be remembered at once. Okay, directly if you see the answer it won't be. So I suggest you to do that. Try by yourself, then go for the solution. Okay, now let us see. A person invested an amount of rupees 2000 partly in a 6% simple interest scheme and the remaining in a 7% simple interest scheme. If the total interest obtained after 1 year is 125, find the amount that is invested. In a 6% simple interest scheme. Okay, so now let us see. So it was said that a person invested amount of 2000, take 2000, partly in 6% simple interest scheme, partly in 6% simple interest and remaining in 7% simple interest scheme. Okay, if the total interest obtained after 1 year is, okay, total interest obtained after 1 year is 125. Okay, find the amount that is invested in a 6% interest. So they are asking the amount here, how much he invested. So okay, fine. You know about the simple interest, right? The fixed interest you will get PTR by 100, right? So I will tell you the answer. First try whatever ways you have. Okay, after that I will tell you the correct answer. Okay, just try it. Whatever you can do, just try it. So the how a student can think, I will showcase you that one now. Okay, so here you can see so it is showing PTR by 100. This is 125. Time is 1. So 125 is equals to PR, is PR by 100. And here the rate of interest in one thing it is 6, in another thing it is 7. Okay, P1 P2 you can take it. Okay, so if you send 125 into 100 to 6 into P1 plus 7 into P2. Okay, the simple thing you know is P1 plus P2 is equals to 2000, right? So you can easily write P2 is equals to 2000 minus P1. So here you can write the same thing. So here you can write in the place of P2 you can write simply 2000 minus P1. Okay, so you can just simply write like this, 6P1 plus minus 7P1, okay, plus 14,000. Okay, so let us see. What will happen? So minus P1, okay, plus 14,000, 12500. Okay, now let us send this side. P1 14,000 this way, 10 minus 5 is 5. So in this way you got 1500 is invested in 6%. So remaining 500 is invested in 7%. Okay, now they are asking about the invested amount in P1. Okay, so the answer is 1500. Okay, you only solved it by yourself, right? Because from childhood you might be knowing about the simple interest, everything. It is a very simple question, anyone can solve. So you can see this answer. I don't think you people feel anything weird or wrong. So let us go to another question. In which, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I would definitely love to clear your doubts. Okay, ratio between upstream and downstream speed of the boat is 7:9. If the difference between the time taken by boat to cover 378 kilometers in 4 hours. Find the speed of the stream. Okay, so let us see this question. So here you can see the ratio between upstream and downstream. It was given as 7:9. Downstream of a boat is given as 7:9. Okay, upstream speed and downstream speed of boat is given as 7:9. If the difference between the time taken by boat to cover 378 kilometers in 4 hours, it was written something like, if the difference between the time taken by the boat to cover is 4 hours. So difference between the time taken by boat to cover 378 kilometers is 4 hours. Find the speed of the stream. Okay, so I would definitely tell about this, but I just wanted you people to try it. Like, what are the things you are getting? What are the thoughts you are going to get? Everything you just try and write it in the comment section. In the next video, we will definitely discuss about it. Okay, when you try by yourself, when you get the answer, it may be right or wrong. At the last, when you will get the answer, then you will get more clarity. That's why. Okay, if you like these videos, please share, like, and please subscribe to this channel. And yeah, if you have any doubts, you can comment. Thank you.